Joseph Colombo, born on June 16, 1923, in Brooklyn, New York, was a prominent figure in the Italian-American mafia. Colombo is best known for being the head of the Colombo crime family during the 1960s and early 1970s. However, his life took an unexpected turn when he founded the Italian-American Civil Rights League, a controversial organization that aimed to combat negative stereotypes and discrimination against Italian Americans. This video explores the fascinating life of Joseph Colombo and his journey from mob boss to civil rights advocate. Joseph Colombo's involvement in organized crime began in his early years. He quickly climbed the ranks of the Propaci crime family, eventually becoming a powerful figure within the organization. Colombo's reputation for violence and intimidation aided his rise to prominence. He was known for strong-arm tactics and his role as an enforcer for the mafia. In the mid-1960s, Joseph Colombo orchestrated a power move within the Propaci crime family, eventually renaming it the Colombo crime family. As the boss, he sought to expand his control and influence over various criminal activities, including extortion, gambling, and loan sharking. Colombo's leadership style emphasized a tight-knit organization that prioritized loyalty and obedience. In 1970, Colombo launched the Italian-American Civil Rights League. The organization aimed to combat negative stereotypes commonly associated with Italian Americans and address issues such as discrimination and media portrayals. The League gained significant attention, with Colombo using his newfound public platform to advocate for the rights and dignity of Italian Americans. Tragically, Joseph Colombo's advocacy for civil rights was cut short. In 1971, he was shot and severely wounded during a rally held by the Italian-American Civil Rights League. The shooter, Jerome Johnson, was a man with a history of mental illness and had no connection to organized crime. Despite surviving the attack, Colombo was left paralyzed and unable to continue his active involvement in the League. Joseph Colombo's shooting left a lasting impact on his family, the Italian-American community, and the Colombo crime family. While his efforts with the Italian-American Civil Rights League were seen as groundbreaking, many within law enforcement and the organized crime community viewed it as a smokescreen to divert attention from his criminal activities. Despite the controversy, Colombo's advocacy work inspired future generations of Italian Americans to fight against discrimination and stereotypes. Today, the legacy of Joseph Colombo is a complex one, highlighting the blurred lines between organized crime and social activism. Joseph Colombo's life was marked by a remarkable transformation from a powerful mob boss to an advocate for the rights of Italian Americans. While his criminal activities and involvement in the mafia cannot be overlooked, his bold step in founding the Italian-American Civil Rights League showed a different side to his character. The shooting at the League's rally cut short his efforts and left a void in both the organized crime and civil rights spheres.